Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to make three columns in Word document. So making three columns in Word depends on the whether you want a newspaper style page or layout or a structured table. So in the first method, I will go through you the best for the newsletter or articles where text flow from the bottom of one column to the top of the next. So this method is applied to the whole document. So for this, you need to go to the layout tab and click on the columns and click 3. So this is what you can see that the entire article has been converted into three columns. So if you want to make three column of the selected text, then shall highlight the specific text you want to split and follow the same steps. For example, go to the layout, click on the columns and click on the three columns. And this is what. There is another table-based columns method, which is the better for the list or side-by-side content where you want precise control over where text is. For this, you need to insert the cursor where you want to insert the table and then go to the insert tab and then click table and now drag your mouse to the highlight 3 by 1 table and now simply copy and paste your text in that like this one. You can resize it by dragging this way and you have a good control over that to adjust the column as per your need. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.